Welcome to another Mr. Watson YouTube video. Please comment down below if you would like to see another topic or question explained. Please check the video description for more information. In this video we're going to look at combining like terms. So I'm going to show you 5 or 6 examples and then you'll be able to do the other 4 or 5 on your own. So let's take a look at this first example here. Now it doesn't need to be this long, it could be much shorter than this. You could have an example, say 6a plus 3a minus 2. And it might want you to simplify that. Now to simplify that you would need to do 6a plus 3a is 9a, and then we just take 2. And that's it. We go from this to this. So you can't combine these anymore here because this here is 9 lots of a, and then we've got 2 of just, on its own. So there's no way here of combining this. This isn't 7a or 7 or anything like that. Okay, so let's take a look at question 1 here that we're given. So we've got minus 7d minus 3 plus 3d plus 4d minus 4d. Okay, well how do we do that? Well, if we have a look at all of the terms that involve a d, so we have this term here, this one, and this one. So we have a positive 3d, we're going to subtract 4d from that. So 3 subtract 4 is minus 1, so minus 1d, or minus d. We're going to have to subtract another 4d from that. So minus 1d subtract 4d would be minus 5d. So all of this here is minus 5d, and we're also going to have to subtract 7d from that. So that would be minus 12d, and then we've still got this minus 3 here. And there we go. Now if you're not too good with pluses and minuses and things, never be ashamed to draw a number line. So say if you're at 3 and you want to subtract 7 from it, you can split that up and say, well, you subtract 3 and then subtract 4, or any way that you want to break that up, but never be ashamed to draw a number line. Okay, so let's take a look at this example here then, question 2. Minus 3 plus 2r plus 7r plus 4 plus 8r. So we'll do the same thing again. We'll look at all of the things that contain r. So that's those 3 terms. So we've got 8r plus 2r is 10r plus 7r is 17r. And you see there that I decided to do the 8r plus the 2r first, just because that adds up to give 10, which, nice easy one to do, and then add 7. You don't have to do it that way. You can do 2 plus 7 first to give 9, and then plus 8 to give 17. Makes no difference. And then we've got then the number term, so we've got minus 3 plus 4. So if we have minus 3 and then we add 4 to it, we're left with positive 1. Or if we have 4 and we subtract 3, then we're left with a positive 1 still. Okay, this example here, minus 4 minus 8 plus 8, minus 4 minus 8 plus 3h minus 8h minus 5h. So let's start with the numbers this time. There's no reason why you have to start with the letters. Minus 4 minus 8, so if you needed to you could draw a number line for that, otherwise you may know that it's minus 12. If you're on minus 4 and you subtract 8, that would be minus 12. Then we're going to have 3h minus 8h, which is minus 5h, and then we're going to minus another 5h, so minus 10h. Okay, now maybe if you're feeling a little bit confident, you might want to pause the video and have a go at this one on your own. But we're going to go through it together still. We're going to look at all of the things that involve r. So we've got 8r minus 4r minus 3r minus 8r. I'm going to do a little similar thing here to what I did up here, and I'm going to say 8r subtract 8r is 0. 0 minus 4r is minus 4r. Minus 3r is minus 7r. And then we're just going to add on the 9, because there are no other like terms with the 9. There are no other numbers. If this example here said, plus 3 as well, then we would have done 9 plus 3 there, which would have been 12. but that wasn't the example. Okay, I think I'll make this the last question, and then I'll let you do the remaining 5. So we have minus 3m minus 1 plus m minus 5m minus 2m. Okay, well, I'll break this down a little bit as well, like the last one. So if we say we do the minus 3m minus 2m, that's minus 5m. We have another minus 5m, so that's minus 10m. And we're going to plus m. So we're not going to have minus 10, we're going to have minus 9m instead. And then we just have subtract 1. So please feel free to pause the video and have a go with the other 5 examples, just in case you need a little bit of help. We'll look at this example here, question 7, together, and then I'll turn the page over so that you can see the answers. So we have minus 1 minus 9n plus 8n plus 7 minus 7. Okay, so we have 8n subtract 9n, which is minus n. We have 7 subtract 7, which is 0, minus 1. So that's a nice easy one. Now maybe you didn't do it in quite the same order there that I did. Maybe you decided to do minus 1 plus 7, which is 6, minus 7, takes us back to minus 1. Then you have minus 9n plus 8n, which is minus n. Now, minus n minus 1 is the same as minus 1 minus n. Okay, so the order there in which, if you do 1 plus 3, that is the exact same as 3 plus 1. Whereas here we have minus 1 plus minus n, and that's the exact same as minus n plus minus 1. So the order in which you add things makes no difference. So there's 6 examples, so you should be able to attempt the other 4 on your own. So I think that there should be the whole page in view. If not, question 10 is 15h plus 3. Thank you for watching.